It's Ananian, the car doctor. Thanks for stopping by today. You're looking for a great mechanic, aren't you? Yeah, so is everybody else. Here's how you're going to do it. You're going to look for certifications, number one, showing that the shop is certified, trained, been to trade school, hit the book, so to speak, so that they can work on your car properly. You want to know that they've got tools. You want to know that the shop's equipped. Ask them, hey, do you have a scan tool that can work on my particular car? They have to be able to speak computer to your computer, that thing with wheels on it, in order to properly service it. Here's a prescription for a successful search. Number one, WOM, word of mouth. Talk to your neighbors, talk to your family, talk to your friends. Hey, where do they go? Are they happy? What do they like about that shop? What don't they like about that shop? It's like finding a good doctor. You know, you might be driving an exotic vehicle that requires a specialist like heart surgery, or you may be able to go to a general practitioner, something that everybody can work on, provided they're trained right and they're tooled up right. Good thing to remember. Number two, have that shop do simple. Have them do an oil change. Have them do a tire repair. Okay? Sure, it's simple, but you're going to learn a lot. You're going to get to see the inside of the shop. Are they clean? Are they organized? Are they fair? Do they communicate? All right? And here's one you don't really think about. How full is their yard? How often does their yard turn over? Do they actually have an empty lot on the weekend, which to me is the sign of a successful shop? They actually came in with cars on Monday, finished them by Friday, the lot's empty, they start over the next week. That's a shop that turns over work because you don't want to pay to store a car, you want to pay to get a car fixed. Key point, okay? You want to also go and look at online reviews. You know, they're not 100% accurate, but they're a good benchmark. They'll tell you some of the things to look for. You can hear some of the good, some of the bad. It'll give you a variable to go look for. And here's one nobody ever thinks about, right from the car doctor to you. Go talk to the local auto parts store. Ask them, hey, who are the best guys in town? Who are the diagnosticians? The auto parts store knows, hey, you know, the rate of return from this repair shop is excessively high. Maybe there's a problem. They'll be able to tell you who they get the most returns from and who they don't get returns from. The ones they don't get returns from, those guys are diagnosticians. That's who you want working on your car because they're great mechanics. I'm Ananian, the car doctor, and I'm reminding you, good mechanics aren't expensive. They're priceless. See you next time.